everybody, welcome back to TechOdyssey. Super exciting day today here. The Z Flip 3 5G is in the house, right here, this guy. And I was trying to figure out what shirt to wear, what colors, because I like my lights back here. This is kind of like a jubilant, kind of like a purplish color. I couldn't really figure out what color goes with happy, so this one looked good as any. And the box, so I got my old ABU t-shirt here from when I was in the military. It actually matches the box there. It's fate. Anyway, so go ahead and let's do the unboxing. We'll open this sucker up so everybody can get a look at the brand new Z Flip 3 5G. But before we get into that, I do want to say if this is your first time stopping by the channel, where have you been? But thanks for being here now. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out, because I'm always making new videos. Newsflash, I already took it out of the box. So let's get into it. Alright, so here we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. I have been waiting for this to finally get here. I know it's still 2 days before it officially comes out, but I am stoked about this phone. I love the way it looks. I like the better design that it has. I like the exterior screen. 120 hertz refresh rate. I'm really looking forward to that. I do worry about how it's going to impact the battery, but I love the Z Flip phone. So this is an exciting day for me. Super fun. Here we have the Z Flip 3 5G. So I got the cream colored one. I do like the way this looks. The only downside is they only had it in the 128 gigabyte. I really wish I could have got it in a 256. Like I wanted a 256 phone. Let's go ahead and take this off. That's like the most best part of phone unboxings now. Everybody loves that. So yeah, I wish they had it in a 256, but they don't. So I opted for this because, of course, I love the color. I love the look that we have here. The two cameras here, the 12 megapixel primary and the ultra wide, the LED flash. SIM card goes over here. Got the 5G antenna port over there. USB-C. This one does have stereo speakers. So you got the speaker here, and then the handset speaker up top doubles as a second one. It has the built-in screen protector here, which is that PET style film, which is supposed to be sleeker, smoother, feel more like the screen, less prone to creases with like your fingernails, and also it doesn't pick up the nasty oils and all that garbage that you get with the old style one. Like the old one, it just does not have a good feel to it. It's gross. I'm so glad that they changed that. So new screen protector on here. It is sleeker. It's supposed to be more durable with the aluminum body that they made on here. It's supposed to be better. It's supposed to be 80% more durable screen as well. IPX8 water resistance. And I like this. It's everything's flat and flush with everything everywhere. It kind of has like a classic retro design, but at the same time you can tell definitely, of course, it's new. Got the good old hinge here, which is smaller. It's less protruding than the one on the Z Flip 5G. So there is some differences there. Less bulky, less hefty. It is a little bit lighter, and it feels lighter. I do like that. I appreciate that. So let me go ahead and turn this on. Fire it up. I'm really looking forward to getting an opportunity to use this. This is going to be my daily driver. This one in the Z Fold 3, which I just opened over here as well. So I'm going to be rocking two Samsung phones for the foreseeable future. And there's that beautiful external display on the outside there. Now let's finish the unboxing experience, because there's a whole lot left to it, I got to tell you. And this is basically it. We got a SIM ejector here, which is cool, so I can use that. And I am never good with these things. I always end up cavemaning them apart. So we got our Z Premiere program. Go ahead and check that out later. We got the quick start guide and a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Yep, that's it. That's the unboxing experience that you get. It's very much more eco-friendly, and I do like it. It's a nice, sleek box. It looks cool, but it's just not as magical. I remember when I first opened up the original Z Fold, it was amazing. It was such a great experience. Now this, definitely I love this phone. I cannot wait to get this set up and use it. So this right here is just my unboxing and first impressions. Not even first impressions. This is just an unboxing, just a pure unboxing. I wanted to take a look at this. So, not really going into it, talking about the specs or the features or anything. I'm going to do my first impressions video and talk about it and do tons of other content. But this is just a beautiful looking phone. I like it. I'm going to go get it set up, and I'll check back with you fantastic people later. But yep, this is the unboxing for the Z Flip 3 5G. So you guys probably already saw there's a bit of enthusiasm here. I love the Z Flip phones, and it's hard to deny that. So this isn't a review. This is just me taking it out of the box and being happy about it. I'm glad it's here. I totally love the Z Flip phones. I think I've covered that enough. This one, lots of changes. This is definitely a huge improvement. As much as there was an improvement in the Z Fold 2 from the Z Fold 1, I feel like this is that upgrade here for the Z Flip 3. I really wish they would have increased the battery somehow. Yes, it's sleeker. Yes, the Snapdragon 888 processor is supposed to be like 20-25% more battery efficient. I have not really found that in my testing, but there is definitely a lot of changes. The Z Flip 5G is the same design as the Z Flip, so this really is kind of like the Z Flip 2, and I was wondering what they were going to call it. The Z Flip 5G really wasn't a Z Flip 2, so they went from the Z Flip to the 5G where they added a increased processor and 5G antenna. And now we got the Z Flip 3, which of course does have 5G. And there's a lot of great things about here I'm going to explore, and I'm going to bring that to you, of course, in my review and all the subsequent content. There's going to be a lot of videos. So if you like the Z Flip 3, this is somewhere you want to be. This is somewhere you want to come back to. This is somewhere you want to subscribe and stay tuned, because you're going to get lots of content on this. I did, again, like I mentioned, I got their cream color, 128 gigs of storage. It doesn't have expandable storage. That's one of the real downsides here when it comes to the Z Flip phones. And the previous two had 256 stock. They were all the same storage size. So this one, I couldn't get this color in the 256, so I opted for form over function, I guess. But super cool. If you've got any questions, please sound off in the comment sections. Things that you want to know about, things you want me to test out, things you want me to check. But this guy right here, I think, is a real winner. I've made a couple videos on it already, and if you're excited about it, there's some good deals. Get them while you can on the pre-order, because especially with Samsung, you get the free year of insurance. I hope they carry that over into general sales and not just pre-orders, but I think there's some enhanced trade-in credit and some other things as well. So again, check it out. And like I said, if you have any questions or comments, please sound off down in the comment section. We'll talk about it. I'll address stuff as I go and some of the stuff in the video. Super cool phone. It shows up officially for everybody else. You can go buy it in the store on the 27th. So if you're watching this later, it's probably already there. But that's all I've got. And if you enjoyed the video, like I said in the beginning, thanks for being here. I appreciate you showing up to watch. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, I appreciate you being here. Thanks a lot for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you guys next time.